everyone!
I'm Rose Jane Timidel.
I'm Arnold Dumog.
I'm Risa Idomaget.
I'm Ivan James Kaiwan.
I'm Lloyd Baliena.
And we are from BSBA FM1C.
Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle that composes of 6 colors. We will show you on how to puzzle or complete the Rubik's Cube in easy steps. First, we should begin with the white face. We have to make a white cross and pay attention to the colors on the side and centerpiece. They should be the same. And second, we have to arrange the white pieces to finish the first phase. After making the cross, now we should proceed to making the second layer in very easy steps. Then we start solving the last layer, making a yellow cross on the top of the Rubik's Cube. After making the yellow cross on the top of the cube, we have to put the yellow edges pieces on the final piece that match the colors or the side and the center pieces and complete the yellow top for the final. The last layer corners are left unsolved. If all the pieces are on the right place, then you have to pay attention on the corners to finish the puzzle. If two sides are only aligned, it's time for you now to use the fish method. And now we're almost done. For the last part, we have to solve the top layer for us to complete the puzzle. we are done. I hope you learn a little on how to puzzle the Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. God bless.